Everybody can live a great life. Everybody can grow. Everybody can be prosperous. That guy that had ADHD diagnosis with all these behavior issues, and they said all this stuff what I never do. I did it all. After I graduated and got that bachelor's, I'm like, you know what? Why not push the envelope? Why not try to be a next level student? Why not try to be the best version of me I can be? Why not keep proving the doubters and the haters wrong? I love haters. I can't wait till Valentine's Day come around. I be seeing them cards and flowers and stuff. I ain't tripping. They make me greater. I'm just like, you just didn't believe in me. But I'm an advocate for the underdog. That's why I'm like, okay, so you got issues? Bet, I'm there. I ain't tripping. I know the power of speaking life. I know the power of education. I know the power of the human will, the human grind, that grit within you that says, I will not fail. I will not give up. I will not give in. Though they slay me, still I'll trust them. I'll put the work in. I'll grind. I'll do whatever I got to do to be the absolute best version of me I can be. And when I got that bachelor's, I said, you know what? I think I got a little bit more in my tank. So I'm going to go and get that master's degree. And I got that master's degree, went to grad school. Never thought I'd be experiencing it. 2010, I wrote my first book, From Prodigal to Prodigy. Then in 2011, I wrote my second book. Then in 2012, and I just finished my 7th book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I never thought I'd be a published author. Shoot, when I was young, I struggled reading. I'm the published author of 7 books. Like, don't let the little, you know what I'm saying, t-shirt and jeans fool you. I've accomplished some things because I got a brain, and you do too. So what does the story mean for you? What do you want to experience out of life? Where you want to go? Who telling you what you can't do and what you can do? Like, what do you want to have? What do you want to experience? I was just in Beaumont, Texas, and a student told me, he was like, hey, I live in this small town, but I got a big dreams. How do I move from a small town mentality to embracing my big dreams? I'm like, yo, keep dreaming. Like, keep dreaming and keep working towards it. And don't be discouraged if people don't believe in your dreams. People don't buy dreams. They don't buy ideas. They buy the grind when you execute. So don't be discouraged if people don't believe in your dreams. Oh, I said I'm gonna do this and nobody believes in me. Don't be discouraged. They're not supposed to believe in your dreams. It's a dream, but you put the work in and that dream becomes a reality. They'll buy reality. It's different for me now. Let me be the poster boy for success, the poster boy for the bounce back. Let me be the poster boy for all of you that grew up in the struggle. Let me be a poster boy for those of you that feel like my biological father's not here, my mom's in prison, my grandma raised me, I'm struggling. Let me be the poster boy for those of you that feel like I grew up in this community, in this hood, I don't know how things are going to change, I'm going through the struggle. Like, that's your condition now, but your condition will not be your conclusion. There is so much more that you can have. There is so much more that you can experience. There is so much more that you can receive. All you got to do is put the work in. So please don't hit me with the, do you think I deserve? I ain't on that. People don't get what they deserve. You get what you work for. Hey, what's up? I hope you enjoyed today's video. And check this out. You got to subscribe because I've got so many more videos in store for you. And when they come out, I want them to come directly to you. So click subscribe and let's keep building together.